As we were expecting, the S&P 500 touched the minus 20% since the all-time high. This happens this Thursday, May 12th. The price was actually rejected quite substantially from this level, as you can see on the weekly chart, represented by this weekly candle. The price was actually rejected quite hard, as you can see by this week. I am, however, not convinced yet of a reversal of the down trends, of the bearish trends, because there are some important levels that the SP 500 needs to break, some important resistances, like this one, which is around the minus 10 from the all-time high, this dashed one. So as long as the S&P 500 doesn't come back trading on these levels, I'm still bearish on the S&P 500, right? And especially if the S&P 500 starts trading below the minus 20% from the all-time high, this is going to be a technical bear trend. I am not yet convinced. The MACD is pretty bad on the weekly, and the RSI is almost flashing oversold, so to be closely monitored. The dollar, as we can see on the daily chart, actually it shows printed a red candle. It didn't touch this level as we were expecting, about 103 or 104. It didn't go back this much. It didn't come down this much. So I'm not sure if the potential bearish divergence that we were monitoring it played out. Maybe not. But yes, I would not be surprised if the dollar touched this level. This would actually be very good for the crypto markets. Okay, but so far the dollar is obviously quite strong. If it comes down here, it will probably consolidate or even just retest and move up, continuing moving up, which will obviously be very bad for both the traditional markets, the S&P 500 and so on, but also the crypto markets. Finally, let's quickly take a look at my last trade. I opened a Bitcoin short. Let's zoom in a little bit more. So I opened this Bitcoin short. The entry point was around 30k, 160. That's 10 cents. I believe this trade was a very good trade. I'm actually running much more than 100% in profits now because of my 30x leverage. So as you can see, not only the Bitcoin price was rejected on this resistance over here, this dashed blue resistance over here. The price came, traded a little bit on these levels, but then it went down. But um, it also broke this trend line over here. So I'm okay with the fact that we have a good probability of my targets to be reached. So my targets, my take profit is 28,434. Okay, on this level. I have not put my target a bit much lower because of the possibility that the DXY, the dollar index, goes down. If it happens, we might see a reversal over here, eventually to retest this red Fibonacci level. But overall, I'm still bearish on Bitcoin. My entry point on the Bitcoin, I would probably be happy to open a trade at the 27k around here. But let's see how this will play out. If my target is met here, I will wait until the Bitcoin goes down. I will actually open a long on the 27k. The long would probably be something like I don't know, maybe like this. Yeah, to be evaluated, right? I don't want to get ahead of myself, but this is my current trade. It's going quite well, and I do believe the target will be met. This will represent more than 150% on profit, so this is quite good. If I would just do a little, no, never mind. Let's finish it here. That's my trade. See you.